What attracted me to Lonza was the opportunity to work in an international company in the middle of the mountains. Well, it's really special for me.
Lonza is a great place to work. It's really traditional, but on the other hand, it's really into the future.
I think something that makes Lonza stand out is the culture of ownership, and that's because the manager trusts in your abilities, and this way you are challenged in a positive way and can grow.
Even as a young employee, take great responsibilities from starting to work here. And when you then come here and live here and go for your job interview, you see how amazing the whole environment is with the mountains and Italy so near. So this is what I think will keep me here also.
The culture of Lonza is really, it's like working in a family. It's a good team spirit, really supportive environment and open-minded.
I started at Lonza as an operator in a plant, and now I'm leading a shift with 5 operators.
Lonza is a very innovative company with a strong ability to solve problems. And then we have an informal culture. Also, the location is quite good here in the middle of the Alps because it allows you to have a good work-life balance.
And I think we have a beautiful surrounding, so there are many reasons why you should work for Lonza.
It's difficult to describe in 3 words, but if I want to choose one, I would say come, stay and grow.
I think Lonza is innovative, customer-oriented and definitely fun to work at.
Diversity, it's innovative and collaborative.